So here I'm showing you how not to start in a plank. You don't want your butt too high. You don't want your stomach too low. You want it just perfect, like right there. Alright guys, so you want your body parallel to the ground. You want to be supporting yourself on the tip of your toes and on your forearms. You also want your butt down and your stomach tight. You don't want your butt in the air, and you want to keep your head down. You want to start holding off your plank for 30 seconds, then work your way up to 40, 50, and then up to a minute. And there you go, you just did a plank.